Hello guys, here's the Sofirn Sd05. This is 5 months old. Okay, let's see the beam shots. It has three modes: the low, medium, and the high. Okay, that's the low. As you can see right there, I think you can barely see the house. Okay, medium, the high. That's about 70 meters, I think, at the house. This is so bright. And that's about 20 meters. This light is so powerful, guys. As you can see right there, you can see those trees. Thank you, guys. And it's stepping down for about 2 minutes. Thank you, guys, and good night.